Yeah, I'm Athira. I'm from India. So I came here in UK to do my masters. I did masters in data analytics. So once I graduated, I got an offer from Intelisense. So here in Intelisense, I'm working as a BI consultant.
What does a BI consultant do?
Yeah, BI consultant is mainly working with business intelligence tool. Here we are mainly working on PowerBi, which is basically we use for reporting purpose for our organization for a better decision making. Apart from that, I'm doing data warehousing, mainly on data lake, Azure, etc. Journey to tech starts when I was in my A level. I was preferring for biology as my main subject, but I didn't got a chance to be in bio. I got into computer science, but I really don't like computer science during that time because I didn't have much idea how it works. So when I was studying computer science, I was more driven into this coding development, etc. So there I got an interest on this development area. That's how I chose my college. As for my bachelor's, I chose computer science and engineering. So from which made me to learn many things, like rather than developing like database, all other sessions. So after that, I got a chance to work as a technical consultant, mainly in ERP for Microsoft. I worked for 5 years in a company. It was a really good experience. So from there, even I got chance to work on Power BI. So I was starting a basic level learning and working on some reports. So there I found that data analytics is having a good opportunity and career growth. So that's how I took my master's as data analytics for my master's. And that's how I got into Intelisense. Okay, for someone who's new into tech, it's always good to start from the beginning. Should have a good base and understanding of what they are learning, and also they should be more curious on choosing a profession or role which is very new, which have very further scope on the future. Mainly like artificial intelligence, mixed reality, augmented reality, etc. Then be up to date on all the technologies and all the features, upcoming features. Try to learn all the new features. Then try to do self-learning. Once you're in a company, you got any offer, try to do some self-learning, improve your skills. Then do a certification based on whatever skills you have, so that you can achieve the best. It's not about an ideal role. I prefer mainly to learn new technologies, to acquire new skills and work on that skill and get up to date on whatever are the new technologies coming up, so that I won't get bored on one particular role. I can learn more skills and work on that. That's what I prefer mostly.
So what do you think your future Intelisense looks like?
Yes, when I joined Intelisense, I joined as a BI consultant. So once I'm here, I even got the opportunity to learn data lake, data warehouse, all those areas, which really helped me, and I now have an interest on learning more particularly on those areas. So maybe in next 3 years, I would like to be a data engineer. From there, I need to acquire more skills and to be a solution architect.